Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial video. In this video we'll talk about how to create stickers on your WhatsApp with your WhatsApp easy and quick. First of all, just go and check that your WhatsApp is updated on the last version on your Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone. After that, we will open WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp, and here, for example, I will test here. Now, in the conversation, click here and click here. So it will show you your emojis. Come to here and click here on stickers on create. So after that, choose the picture that you wanna use. For example, may I wanna use this picture. As you see, it's making me my sticker. And right now I will add the text, for example, or what's this? For example, like this. I will change the style and then I will click OK. And that's it. Right now, guys, as you see, I create my own sticker just by WhatsApp. So that's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.